Fu many of you had to speak to a robot, again to speak to your bunk. You can speak to a person on here. Again, once upon a time you might be lucky you could get somebody in Scotland that would ken foot speak Scots. Now it's just a robot, again there's no chance. So again, I want to put this right. Say, you've nicht noticed again the likes of ChatGPT, they're nae greed at Scots. They dinna ken Doric. And that's fitting pitting right for ooeNews. It's a massive database of articles, in English and Doric and Scots, well, Central Scots or whatever. And the point is, to biggest Rosetta Stone, for training AI. And as well as that we have in text, fitting one to do is to have vyces to gain weird. I'm planning to read all the articles out, and fitting second, as somebody from Orkney, Shetland, Glasgow, Edinburgh, all around Scotland. I'm reading folk from all around Scotland, to read the articles out. And when you're reading it out, if you think about things you want to change in it, we can change it in art. So the text model, the vyce model, I think gangs together, and it's all just Scots that we think is right. Because if you gang on to the Scottish Government website, here read some of the Scots that's on here. I do think if most Scots pickers think that the Scots is greed formal Scots, or again just a decent translation for English to Scots. So it's pretty good. I'm nae casting aspersions on anybody, and I'm nae saying that mine's perfect. What I'm saying about mine is I'm seeking feedback from folk, and I'll change what I'm doing, because that's what I'm seeking to do. Is to make a Doric news that folk like to read. And many thanks to Abdi. I'm a Doric reader, so give me feedback. And what we're doing is just making it better.